The Skoda KUSHAQ, previously known as Vision IN. Following the success of their previous SUV models, Skoda will continue its SUV campaign on the promising Indian market by introducing a mid-size family model, expected to take place in 2021. The unveiling of the Skoda KUSHAQ provides a concrete preview of this vehicle, which will be the first production model to be based on the new MQB-A0 platform and will also be produced in India. The new localized platform is a variant of Volkswagen Group's MQB system, developed by Skoda Auto for use in India and specifically tailored to suit the tastes of Indian customers. In the interior of the KUSHAQ, Skoda combines state-of-the-art technologies and innovative vegan materials with traditional Indian design and Bohemian crystal glass art. The decorative trim on the dashboard includes hand-carved wooden stamps. The interior also makes use of different kinds of leather as well as oak leather and a leather alternative made from waste pineapple leaves. A crystalline assistant in the center of the dashboard acts as a bridge to the digital world, as do the freestanding central display with a 12.3-inch, 31.24 cm screen, the individually customizable virtual cockpit and shift-by-wire technology for the 7-speed DSG. Exterior characterized by a rugged appearance and elongated lines. LED headlights and illuminated crystal on the grille and rear provide visual highlights. Aluminum front spoiler and rear diffuser, and a bright orange metallic exterior color,